Hello guys, Sanjay here, and in this video I am going to do a gaming review with the OnePlus 2, and the temperatures are around 35 degrees to 36 degrees, and that's quite normal considering the room in which I am. There is no AC in the room, so it's pretty normal environment. It's not hot or it's not even cool too. And let's start the gaming review with the Dead Trigger 2, and let's see how the game performs. So I'll just keep quiet for some time now. And the Dead Trigger 2 performs very well. I played it for a very long time and that performed really well, no issues whatsoever. And the temperatures have not increased that much. The max temperature is still 39 degrees, which is quite manageable. And after this, now let's switch to the second largest game in this review. That's Batman, and the game is also performing very good. So let's take a detailed look at it. So yes, the Batman game also performed really well. The game was really smooth, no issues whatsoever. There were no frame drops, and that max temperature now is 42 degrees, and the phone is a little bit warm at the sides. It's not that warm in the front or back. 42 degrees or rather 44 degrees is quite manageable with all the phones, but at the side the phone is becoming really hot. So let's see. And after this, now let's switch to another game, that's Cyberline Racing. It's quite similar to Asphalt 8. I'm not playing Asphalt 8 because it runs very smoothly. Like there are no issues whatsoever with the Asphalt 8 game. So instead of that, let's play Cyberline Racing, and the game is also performing really well. So Cyberline Racing had no issues with the phone whatsoever. It performed really blazingly fast without any issues. Even the temperatures were almost the same. So let's switch to another heavy game, and that's Modern Combat 5 this time. And let's see how the phone performs and how the phone holds up with Modern Combat 5. So once again, Modern Combat 5 performed really well. No frame drops. The sound was clear, crisp. At the edges, the phone is getting really hot now. It's quite uncomfortable. At the sides, the metal ring is getting a little warm, and the temperatures are also max 42 degrees. So yeah, it's not considerably hot at the front or the back, but the metal ring is really getting warm now. And after this, now let's switch to another game, and this is Flight Simulator 3D, and the game is pretty fun to play. Let's see how the game performs here too. So the game performed really well. It seemed that the game was a little too low for the OnePlus 2 because there were no issues whatsoever, no single lagging or nothing like that. So after this, now let's switch to Mortal Kombat X, which is one of my favorite games for PC. I do not play that much on PC games, but Mortal Kombat X is surely very good. And even on the OnePlus 2, the game is performing really great without any frame drops as of now. So let's see how the game performs over here. So once again, no surprising frame drops over here too. So Mortal Kombat X also performed really good, and the temperatures are still around 40 degrees, 42 degrees maximum. And yes, once again I'll say that the metal ring is really hot now, and it's a little uncomfortable to hold the phone at the sides because of the metal ring that it has, which has become really warm. And now let's switch to one of the most heavy games that we are going to play in this video, and that's Nova 3. And almost on all the devices, rather on all the devices that I have tested with Nova 3, lagged a little bit. So it will be interesting to see if OnePlus 2 can handle the game without any lag. So there was a little bit of audio issues, and audio and the gameplay was not in sync. So let's see if that happens once again. So as you can see, the audio is not coming out at the same time that the gameplay is happening. So yes, Nova 3 is having issues on the OnePlus 2 also. So yes, Nova 3 had a little bit of frame drops and there was an issue of syncing between the gameplay and the audio of the game. So that's quite surprising. So yes, the temperature is still around 40 degrees, 42 degrees. Yeah, so that was for the temperature. Now let's switch to another game, and this is one of my favorite games on Android ever, and that's NFS Most Wanted. And the phone performs really well, and all the phones on which I played NFS Most Wanted till date did not lag at all, so that's really a very good thing, because yeah, NFS Most Wanted seems to be one of the most optimized games, which is like very huge in size. It's almost 2.01 GB. So yes, the NFS Most Wanted also ran very smooth, and after around half an hour of gaming, the device's temperature is around 42 degrees or 43 degrees, but the device got little bit uncomfortable because of the metal ring that it has at the sides, which got very warm, and yeah, that makes the device uncomfortable. And I've been using the device for 3 to 4 days, and in normal usage also the ring gets really hot. I'll surely test the device more, and I'll talk about that more in my full review. So do hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to come to know about that review. So yes, I can surely say that OnePlus 2 handled almost all the games really well, except for Nova 3, which lagged a little bit and there was audio issues. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because many more videos on the OnePlus 2 are going to come soon. And if you have the OnePlus 2 and if you want to root the device, install a custom ROM like a Pro, then I have made those videos. I'll give the link of those in the description box below, so don't forget to check those out. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching.